Here we are again. We're with the working on the Firepower MST 220i, and we're putting in a PWM pulse width modulator, and I have it installed in the back there. And so what this is going to do is only put on the fan when the temperature requires it. You see I have my my probe mounted on top of the heat sink there, and just behind it is the over temperature sensor. So when if the welding machine reaches 75 degrees C, it'll shut off on over temperature, and that'll protect it from overheating. Should the pulse width modulator fail or something like that, there, we'll put a little light on the subject. There's the sensor, and I tapped into the fan. This second plug up here is the fan wire output to the fan, so I teed into that down below here, and then I brought it up into this pulse width modulator. Sorry about all the bad lighting. And yeah, so no more listening to that fan running needlessly all the time. I did some welding here. It took about 15 minutes. I've been running here for about 45 minutes welding, but it's taken about 15 minutes for the temperature to require the fan. I'll just put it on TIG here. You see now you've got, I'll make one contact with the foot pedal, and you can hear the fan just barely moving. You can see it. See it spinning there, and see the top LED. It's just getting power to the welding machine is putting power out to the fan, and the lower LED means that the temperature has met the requirements to need the fan to start. So she's pulsing at probably 20%. She's slowing down there. So, just wanted to let you know that that's working, and I did notice that it wasn't hardly coming on at all. I had to put the cover on the welding machine to get it to require the fan more, because I'm getting so much just natural cooling in the garage here. It's 18 degrees, so anyhow, there's an idea if somebody wants to try it. If you get tired of listening to the fan continuously running on your welding machine, you can get these PWMs, pulse width modulators. I got mine on AliExpress. Cost me $12. Alright, thanks for listening. Bye now.